Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad ranch dressing. To begin, you will need a few core ingredients. Start with a good quality mayonnaise, fresh buttermilk, and some sour cream for richness. These form the creamy base of your dressing. Also, prepare your fresh herbs, such as dill, chives, and parsley, as they are crucial for that classic ranch flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix everything together. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Next, add your dry seasonings: 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Whisk these ingredients vigorously until the mixture is completely smooth and all the spices are fully incorporated, ensuring no lumps remain. For that signature fresh taste, finely chop 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, 1 tablespoon of chives, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. Gently fold these herbs into your dressing. To add a subtle tang, stir in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This brightens the flavors beautifully. Taste the dressing and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want a bit more salt, pepper, or even a dash more garlic powder to suit your palate. Once your ranch dressing is mixed, cover it and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is essential, as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, resulting in a more harmonious taste. Your homemade ranch dressing can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. It's perfect for salads, as a dip for vegetables, or even with chicken wings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.